Hello friends, good evening. Today we will learn about R and R Studio. And in this video we will know about the step how to install R and R Studio. So before installing this R and R Studio, let us learn about the basics, some basic introduction about R. So let's go to this page where you can see that R is a programming language. It is used for statistical computing and data visualization. It is used in many fields like data mining, bioinformatics, data analysis, and data sciences. So basically, R is a free and open source software distributed under the GNU General Public License Agreement. So as you know, you have many programming language. So like you have C++, you have Python. There are many languages in which a programmer will work and write down the program for certain purpose for their task. So R is also is one of the language which is widely used by the many big corporate and in search field also. So if we talk about some history, here you can see that R was started by Professor Ross and Robert as a programming language to teach introductory statistics at University of Auckland. So these are the two person behind the R. So basically the language R is inspired by S programming language. So first of all, it's a S language in the beginning. Now it is converted to R language. So the name R is given because there are two programmer R, Robert and Ross. So these are some introduction. You can go through the pages of this Wikipedia, and also I will show the R site. So these are the CRAN package. Comprehensive R Archive Network was founded in 1997. So this is the basic page where you can get all the information about R and detail about R community. So these are the community when the R is started for the first time, and they have also their communities, their journals, and these are some of the basic command which we will learn in the coming video. So let's skip this and directly go to installation of R. So for R, first of all you need, for the working of R, first of all you need R software. So type on their on your Google, uh, type R CRAN CRAN. So this is the page, the comprehensive R archive network. Click on this. Directly you will land this page, download and install R. So first of all you have to install R, then you have to install R Studio. So if you have Window, click here. If you have Mac, you can click here. Or if you have another operating system Linux, you can click here. So I have Window, click on Window. So this is the page. First base, you have to click on the first option, base icon. This is the option to download R 4.5.1. This is the version, latest version for Windows. Just click here and your installation will start. So wait for 1 to 2 minutes. Let the installation complete. So basically, if you want to work in R Studio, so you have to first install this R software. So it is like a background software. It is like you working in the R Studio, but all the working, your background command is executed in R software. So R software will help the R Studio working. So this is the page. You can open this, and in your download folder, this is the file. Double click on the file. Yes, English language. Then click next. Then this is the directory. It will save your R file in C, program files, then R 4.5.1. So you can change this directly if you want to save in another folder, but let put it on the default mode. Click next. Make sure you have 64-bit in your operating system. You can check your operating system whether it is 64 or 34. Click next and click next. So these are the default setting. So you can create a desktop shortcut if you want, and also create a quick launch for this, or click next, and this will install R in your computer. So it take 1 to 2 minutes for installation of R. Wait for 1 minute. So finish. Click finish. You can close this option, minimize this, and when you go to your desktop, you will see an icon like this. This is R 4.5.1. If you double click this page open look like this. So it is basically a command based software, like many of you know that DOS prompt. Earlier we used to work there. So we write command here, some command, and then we will execute the command. So let's close this, and no. And second, when you install this R, close this, open next. Then you have to type R Studio. Just click, go down. There is a site, posit.co. Download R Studio. Just click there. So basically, a POSIT is POSIT is an open source free licensing company that distribute R Studio under their license. So you can see there that the R most popular coding environment for R environment, built and distributed by POSIT, so used by millions of users. So RStudio is an integrative development environment as a set of tool built to help to be more productive with R and Python. So like you have R language, Python is also a language. So you use like you have Java is a language. It is one-time execution. The programmer made the Java language and then distribute in the market. But R is a programming language which is freely available, and time to time programmer use their codes and update their R programming language. So it's a integrated development environment. Yeah, and it is developed over a period of time and update monthly basis. You will get update from different packages. So you go downward, you will see R Studio. There are two options. If you click on R Studio, that is desktop site, you will install the software in your system. And if you don't want to install R in your system, you can have the option of download R Studio server. So it will server will work only in their directory. You don't have to install the software in your system. With the internet, you can work on the R, and then transfer your file to another system. So we will go to downward. So there is the option downward R Studio for desktop, free. Just click on the option R Studio desktop. Uh, there is also two option install or we have already installed the R. Now we click on R Studio for desktop for window. Just click here and then your file is downloading and go to your download option. Just click on the first file R Studio and yes, click on next. Click on next and this will install R on your system. It will take 1 to 2 minutes. Let's go to the backward page. Uh, like R CRAN. This is the R comprehensive R archive network. This is the basic page of R software. So where you can see that these are the CRAN page you can download. And if you go some downward, here is the option of packages. So these are the list of packages. List of packages. So here you can see that the available CRAN packages by the date of publication. And if you scroll down, there are many packages for different type of purpose in research. So in the later video, we will learn more about this. So let's see our downloading is completing. It's still completing, maybe 2 to 3 minutes more required. So wait for 1 minute and let the downloading will finish. Finish, then finish. And you can minimize the page, close this download page. So you go to your window option and you can type here RS Studio. So this is the icon R Studio. Just click on the icon. So it show which you want to install. So choose this because and this. We have also downloaded our software that is 64-bit C programming files are 4.1. You can also check, go to your setting, this option, then window, then you go C program files, then you have R, R 4.1, then you have R 4.5.1. So 4.5.1, just click here and OK. So this is the R software which I install. This is how our studio is look like. Thank you.